Hey, everybody. It is August 7th. And yeah, Wednesday. Man, another really, really tough day here. I basically got out of everything, basically. Um, opened up and just got sold throughout the whole day. I mean, I gave this as much chance as I could. Now, this it's certainly not dead here by any means. So, I'll probably still go after this tomorrow. So, anyways, let's just go over everything that I closed out. I closed out Bitcoin position BITX for an 8% gain. Um, I closed this out when Bitcoin started rolling over today, like right here, right in here. Wow, what the heck is this? That's sweet. That's some nice volume in here. Cool. Yeah, wow. Um, IWM. I went after IWM here today. Right in here, like right here. Right in there was kind of around right here. I was gonna give it. My initial thought was if it can't hold this area, then I would get out. But I really wanted to give it some time. But then it didn't hold this area, and so then that was it. I got out of here. That was a 10% loss. That was like a longer dated in the money call options. Yeah, that was a pretty long dated one. And then TQQQQ, I got out of those. Unfortunately, yeah, I got out of those right here. Just this sound like this was supported so well in this area, and I made a bunch of futures trades throughout all here that we'll go through today, but then it just got slammed right here, and I'm like, man, I just can't, ugh. So I got out of that one. That was like a 25% loss. I'm still in XLF. Kind of honestly, just because I didn't really even pay attention to this all day. I was doing a bunch of other things. This looks horrible. Yikes. See this on the weekly chart. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I said, if on the weekly chart, if this doesn't close, if it closes below 42, then I would get out. So I already kind of had my mind made up on that one. So I'm still in those. I'm down on those for sure, though. But anyways, yeah, we're still in those. Those are like 77 days to expiration, $42 strike price. Yeah, I'm down on those. What else? Oh, gold. So I'm still in gold. I think what I'm going to do here is kind of the same thing as I said. If this continues to roll over, I would get out. And if the 50-day moving average gets supported for 2 days, then I'll get back in. I think if this loses like the 220 area and can't hold 220, yeah, because this was like my original plan getting into this position. So I'll just stick with that plan. Let's see what gold's doing after hours. see, this just does not look good. I mean, it's certainly not dead yet, but wow, it's got a gap to fill way down there. Yeah, this does not look good. This can still work. This can certainly still work. But anyways, so that's all the positions that I have left, really. I mean, I have some small positions and, you know, some Bitcoin miners, like Hut, Bitfarms. Yeah, just, yeah, this looks so bad. I think they report earnings here soon. So, but anyways, nothing really to even mention. God, this looks so bad. This is terrible looking chart. Let's see how Hut looks. That looks slightly better. I wonder what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Nice huge move. Huh. Maybe that's good for risk assets, I don't know. Ugh, although this still looks pretty bad. Oh, geez. Okay, so that's that. Let's get into futures trades. There was a bunch of them today, and it was all in micros. So I'll go over to micros. I want to do micros. It's just things have been so volatile and kind of as I would not expect them to be. So, dang, after hours. This looks good. Yeah, if this area can be supported here, that would be so nice. Maybe I'll go long tomorrow. Yeah. It's usually how things work, right? Like it's funny. I was thinking, man, as I'm selling out of everything today, I was thinking, it's just funny how things work. I was thinking, I bet you tomorrow everything's gonna work out. It's like, yeah. So, anyways, okay. So let's go through all these. Let's go through these. What I did. 7:20 in the morning, 45175, 7:20 in the morning. Yeah, let's just zoom in here. 7:20 in the morning. 451. So right here, sold out at 477.75, which was like right here. That was $52 per contract. Easy risk to reward here. And right around 80 is where I wanted to get out, but I usually get out sooner than that. All right. And then 7:30, we did it all over again, rock and rolled all over again. Or 7:30-ish. These times aren't like exact, right? I write it down afterwards. 455.5. 455.5. And then sold at 463. That's $15 a contract. 820. 820. Right here. Oh. Yeah, it was this candlestick right here. So after that, so it's probably a little bit after 8:20. Oh no, I bet you I started it right around 8:20. Okay, anyway, so 471.5 up here. It was probably right here, actually. And then added at 456. So down here. Actually, what had happened is on this next candlestick here, after this kind of got booted down, I was planning actually on holding this one. I thought, still up until this point, I thought this was going to be a great day, or at least better than this. But then this did not act as expected. I added to this, and then after it got back up here, and then I got out at 478.75. Oh yeah, so like right there. That was $60 per pairing. 845. Yep. Right off of here. So here I still thought the day was going to be good, but just this selling right here, I was like, all right, I got to take these pretty quick. And then if the price continued to go up, then I would have held them longer today, but I just didn't offer it. So 360.75, so like right in here. And then I added at 363.75, so as this worked, I was adding. And then I got out at 395.5, so like right here. $430 a pairing. 1055. Man, I did so many trades. Jeez. 1055. Where is this? You know what I should have done? After this got blasted through right here, I should have just gone short. I just still thought it was going to be a good day. Jeez. Because I think all this was still through in here. You know what I mean? Like, I still thought this could have turned back around, but dang, look at this after hours. That's fantastic. Okay, anyways, let's see. 1055. This one was a loser. 125.12. Let's see. Why would I have started it there? 1040. Yeah. I thought this could have acted as resistance right around this area. Anyway, so 125.25, sold it at 078.75. That was a loss of $93 per contract. Okay, moving on. 1120. 1120. 1120. Right in here. 043.25, sold at 083.5 for $80.50 per contract. 1155. Oh yeah, I think I might have missed this. I don't know. 1155. Oh no, I didn't miss that move. This was a good one. 034.75, so like, right in here. I added to this at 0.5. Yep, so like right here. And then got out at 0.9 right here. 0.9, 0.5. That was $180 per, pairing. With this huge volume and how kind of fast this ran up, I had a good feeling it was going to kind of break through this short-term resistance here. But again, I just, with how the day was going, I wasn't going to really play for that. 35, okay, so then 12.20, okay, so only 2 more trades. 12.20. Oh, geez, 12.20. 12.20. Oh, right in here. Oh, yeah, see, I thought this was going to be sweet. Yeah, so 12.20, 112.25, sold 129.5. That's $34.50 per contract. Okay, so and then 12.30ish. Yeah, see, and then just lots of selling. Jeez. And then so 12.30ish. Oh, back in here again. 103.25. I added at 091.25. Sold at 108.75. It's $46 per parent. I wonder what's going on after hours. This is awesome to get supported right here. Maybe tomorrow's going to be a great day. All right. That's basically it. I mean, today, here's the Treasury auction, 10-year. Not a good auction. Not good. So I just thought, dang, man, just the more bad news keeps coming and coming. And then you had Jamie Dimon come out and say, we're not currently in a recession, which is like, why do you feel the need to say that? And you can basically do the opposite of what those types of people say, because I mean, no doubt. I mean, Jamie Dimon's like one of the greatest bankers of all times. Insanely smart. Is probably a great CEO. He's the only one left from 2008. So I'm not saying anything negative about him. It's just that they always have a bias, right? So like Jamie Dimon will say stocks are great and fantastic, and then kind of behind closed doors, there'll be recordings and leaked audio of him that's like, sell everything, to all of his investors. So, the unemployment's rising. We've bottomed in terms of unemployment. They always go in cycles. We're on a way up in unemployment. This one, we're closest we've ever been to a ceasefire deal. I thought this was really good. And when this came out, markets liked it, but then just got sold. So just more and more negative stuff. Now, what I'm seeing, you guys aren't going to be able to see this because of the camera down here. But there are huge futures trades that have been happening after hours. 3,000 contracts of ES long, another 2,900 long, another 2,566 long, 1,500 long, 1,000, 1,100 long, 1,500 long, 1,100 long of ES. So clearly there is huge money going long after hours. I wonder what's going on. I mean, if this level can get supported, that would be awesome. Tomorrow could be a great day. Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, and then so let's look at, so ES, you know, this does look better than NASDAQ. Russell 2000. Dow Jones. Oh, my beloved Dow Jones. That's kind of holding up okay, honestly. All things considered. What do I want to go after tomorrow? Dow Jones, maybe all of them. Oh, it's usually at these points where it's just like, man, I'm worn out, you know? That's usually the time to go after things. You know, because I trade pretty light and have things hedged, and, you know, even still for me, I've been doing this for, you know, years. It's, you know, still I'm like, get kind of worn out and kind of worn out of positions. So it's like, you know, guaranteed there's lots of people that feel that way. And that's usually when I kind of get worn out and just want to flip 100% bearish and just go short is usually a time to go long. I've noticed that's just kind of how I am, how things work, you know. Cancel rate extension, that's just gets annoying. I'll just remove this whole thing. That move has already happened. There's nothing else to know about that trend line that was broken. I'm still in Goldman Sachs. Yeah, see, I plan on being in Goldman Sachs for a long time. Let's see how Robinhood's doing. Well, a 200-day moving average got supported. That would have been a good place to buy right there. 7 or 15. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, my headphones got delivered. That's cool. I think that's really it. I don't really know. I don't know. You know, consumer credit came in kind of lower than what they were expecting. Kind of just shows consumers are not spending as much, right? Which is kind of like what Amazon's saying. Man, that was wild. Thank goodness I got out of that one. Lots of people were in this one, right around the 200. Maybe it's because there's too many eyes on it, you know, and that's what I was concerned about. But then at the same time, that's what I was concerned about Nvidia back here, right here, a breakout above this, 50 at the time. That was not 50, 500. I think that was the level 500. And I was concerned about that because it's like the most watched level of all times, you know. But that did fine. So, yeah. Let's see. What's XLF doing after hours? Nothing. Let's see what Berkshire Hathaway looks like. Oops. Meant B, but this works as well. Yeah, I mean, it's holding on. Goldman Sachs. Holding on. This is... If there's ever a bearish close, this is a bearish close. JP Morgan. Yeah, see, same thing. Bam. That's it. What else are we looking at? Yes. Uber. Remember, I thought this looked great in here, and I had kind of missed this, but still didn't go after it, and just things have just been getting slammed. Let's see what Meta looks like. See, this is a weird chart. I don't know how anyone would trade off of this. Maybe you do like a 450 level at 500. Google. Yeah, I mean, it got supported at the 200-day moving average for now. Jeez. Microsoft. I think Microsoft's below the 200-day moving average. Yeah, see? Wow. Wow, is that an oversold territory? But again, I don't make any decisions based upon just one of these indicators. But wow, look at that. That is like the most. So that's down to 25 on RSI. Wow. Last time that happened was 2015. Wow. Oh yeah, and I found out VIX, this was the largest single day spike of VIX ever. Oh yeah, and the freaking CBOE is coming out with 0-day options on VIX. I was like, no. Why would you do this? I wonder what's going on with VIX after hours. It's up. This is the best looking chart out there. That's great. Ugh. What else do we go over? Oh, let's go over utilities. This has been the best performing class. That's also how you know things are shit. And there's not even really a trade to take on this either. I guess you could do 73 and below. I just how the environment is, I would keep things super tight. But then see, 72 is still a great entry point. So like, I mean, that's all right. Let's look at bonds. Oh, up after hours. Let's look at, what is it? CF. It's 5 years. You know, today I was thinking, after that horrible bond auction and big selling that happened, what is this, at 10? Yep. This came out at 10. Look at that. Look at that selling. You know, I thought, how ironic would it be right now? Horrible bond auction to just go for it right here, but I'm not in a position currently to kind of just go for it. Although this looks really good. 96. Yeah, below 96 you could get out. Looks good on a 4-hour chart, but God, I just hate making longer term decisions based upon shorter time frames. And to me, 4 hours is still short, you know? Like, day trading's one thing, but but a swing trade off of 4 hours, I see so many people that talk about 4-hour chart and plus a 4-hour chart and some chart pattern on a 4-hour chart, and it freaking never works out. But, you know, if bonds could really start working out and trending up, that would be cool. That would be another, you know, asset class to go after. And we need those right now. Let's see how pod stocks are doing. Not good. I had so many good trades all throughout in here. See, I had a trend line, got in, did really well in there. Here's another trend line I drew, so back in here. Another one. Yeah. Not doing good. I was really excited for these. You know? 200-day moving average was kind of moving up. Nice long base, but nope, it's failed. It's under 200-day moving average. That is a no-go. What else is going on? Royal Caribbean. Yikes. Oh. Not as bad as I thought. Still very bad. What cruise is going on? Carnival Cruise. Yeah, see, I was talking to somebody about this where after Carnival Cruise had amazing earnings here, they were saying, you know, is Carnival Cruise a buy? And I said, no. Royal Caribbean, if you're going to go after a cruise line, it would be Royal Caribbean. Because the market had already picked a winner, you know. I mean, look at this. This chart is, I mean, that's like horrible, right? When was this? This is probably COVID. Yeah, March 2020. This was COVID. It was falling a lot prior to that, but anyways, still hasn't even gotten close about that. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys have seen the type of customers that go on Carnival Cruise ships, but they are not good, and some of the videos are gnarly of just the type of customers they attract. It's just gross. So anyways, Royal Caribbean is what you want to go on, like celebrity in real life as well as in stocks. Why? The market's already chosen this as the winner. Right? Like, there's no work that needs to be done in terms of analysis. Like, if you've decided you want to go long cruise liner, then you go long where everybody's throwing money at. So, and here's, you know, COVID right here. It's gone above that. So, anyways, I'm actually going on a celebrity cruise in October. So, I'll report back, see how that goes. All right, that's it. I think that's enough rambling. Not much exciting stuff. Let's see what's going on with Japan right now. Whoa, what's up? Wow, cool. I mean, you guys, if this could... move higher tomorrow could be really good. If this whole level is supported, that would be awesome. Oh, I I guess I can cancel these extensions since these moves have already happened. Oh, Maybe I'll go long futures this evening. I don't like to do that overnight, though, honestly. Maybe I'm just not that mentally tough yet. Anyways, all right, that's it. Later.